Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. I just woke up. It's 9:30 in the morning, which is kind of late. I wanted to get up at 8:30, but I'm still a little jet lagged and I think I'm dealing with some like allergies or something. I don't know, I've been sneezing a lot. And yeah, but I think it's the weather change from Wyoming to North Carolina because it's a very drastic weather change. So yeah, I'm just opening the blinds right now. I look a little rough, but I'm going to get a spray tan. What? What am I saying right now? I look a little rough. I just got a spray tan last night. I haven't washed it off yet, but I will. I just didn't really feel like it this morning. So I just put my hair in a little bun. I'm wearing this adorable little cropped thing from Lulu. I don't know why I'm acting like I don't know what it's called. I'm like really out of it right now because I just woke up, but it's Lulu Run Half Sip. I think that's it. In like blazer blue or something. I'll have it linked, and then just a line. So yeah, I just put my hair in a bun. Like I said, going to get my nails fixed because these are just a tragedy. If you saw my spring break vlog, you know what happened, but these are my real nails and they're super long and both middle fingers came off. So that's fun. But yeah, I made my bed this morning. She looks great. And we're gonna make some coffee because I need coffee like ASAP. Wait, just kidding you guys. It's not 9:30, it's 10:30. What the heck? I forgot to change my clocks back when I got home because of daylight savings time. So I guess I woke up at 10. Oh my God, I was supposed to get up at 8:30. But I missed vlogging for you guys. I feel like it's been forever. And I literally vlogged for like 10 days straight. I think I missed a few, but basically 10 days while I was in Wyoming / Idaho. So I don't know why I feel like it's been forever, but it definitely hasn't. But yeah, so I was like, oh my gosh, I miss vlogging. I think I missed this camera because I've been vlogging the past, like I said, 10 days. It's only been like 2 or 3 days that I haven't vlogged because today's Wednesday and I stopped the vlog on Saturday. Got back on Monday, so yeah. But yeah, it's only been about 4 days since I've vlogged and I've definitely gone much longer without vlogging, so I don't know what my problem is. But I do not have time to eat what I wanted to eat. I was gonna do some yogurt, but it's already 10:30. I have to leave at 11. And I wanna get my coffee now and stuff. Do need to make my greens, but I might wait till after I get back. No, I should probably do that now. Ugh. But yeah, so these are the greens that I use, if you guys were wondering. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna take you guys through a self-care day because let me tell you, when I got back from Wyoming on Monday night, it was like I don't even know how long of a day, because there's a time difference. And on top of the time difference that I had from North Carolina to Wyoming, there was also daylight savings time. So I was like out of it. I had a headache for like 2 days straight, Monday and yesterday. Didn't go to class yesterday because what the heck is going on with my machine? That's all that it did. I had a headache for like 2 days straight. I don't know what it was, but I got home at like 11 something on Monday night and unpacked. So yeah, I unpacked and then yesterday, which was Tuesday, I had a day. I had to do laundry, like several loads. I had to catch up on work stuff. I had to do homework, study for an exam that I have tomorrow, do my whole shower, like wash my hair, everything, spray tan, make some appointments. I had literally 12 packages, you guys, to open and go through and separate and stuff. So I had those to open and clean up. I had to get groceries. I had to clean out my fridge because a bottle of wine spilled. I just had a lot going on. Watched The Bachelor. Ended up being pretty chill, but I went to bed super late, so that's probably why I slept in so late. I'm very chatty this morning, if you guys can't tell. But, okay, I'm gonna drink my 2 little drinks that I have. I need to leave here at, let's see, it says 9:40, so it's really 10:40, so I need to leave here in 20 minutes. Can I do that? I don't know. We shall see. Hopefully I can drink this in time because it's like steamy. Oh my God, I didn't even finish saying what I was talking to you guys about. So it's gonna be a self-care day because I have just had so much to catch up on since getting back from my trip, and I've been really stressed and anxious. So we are going to go get our nails done. Obviously, I think I did say that. I don't even know. I'm like delusional right now. Delirious. I don't know. And then after, we're going to get a massage because I have, like I said, had a headache the past 2 days, and I think that's why, because I need a massage. You guys didn't know, I have nerve damage from like a birth defect. So my arm, this one like droops a little bit more than this one, and it pulls like forward and down. And when it does, it pulls on my neck. So I get really bad headaches, so I have to get massages. But anyways, I'm gonna sit here and drink my drinks, and I will talk to you guys when I'm doing something, because I feel like I'm just very chatty today. Hi guys, so I just got home. I'll show you guys my nails. They look so good. I literally did not finish my coffee this morning, which is probably a good thing because recently it's been making me feel so nauseous, especially on an empty stomach. I don't know, I guess it's the acid. I mean, used to I could drink, sorry. Used to I could literally drink coffee and not eat for hours after, but recently it's been hurting my stomach really bad, and like I felt kind of nauseous in the nail salon because I only ate a couple bites of a protein bar because I'm not hungry like right when I wake up. So now I'm starving, so I don't know what I'm gonna fix. But here are my nails. I'm literally obsessed. I hope it's gonna focus. I'm so obsessed. I'll throw up the inspo pic on the screen somewhere. But I decided to do neon colors instead of pastels. So I just got a few packages. They were literally at my door, and I never heard anybody come to my door. First up, I got a package from Revolve. This came so fast. I freaking love Revolve so much. These are the A Goldie Riley high-rise straight crop jeans in a 24. I have the Riley jean in, I think the shade name is like Shattered or something. It's like a light wash denim with like a few rips, and they're my go-to jeans. They're pretty much the only jeans I wear, and I have a lot of jeans, so I need to like start wearing my other ones. But I don't know, they just fit so good. They fit me so good in the waist. They make my butt look good, and they're the perfect length because they're crop, so they fit me full length. I think they're like a 26-inch inseam. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure. So I just got them in black. They have a ton of different colors, but they're really expensive. They're like $190, but they're very, very, very worth it. So I might wear these tonight because I'm going to dinner. I feel like every time I vlog, I go to the same place, and it's pretty much like an every Wednesday night thing now with me and my best friend. Okay, so this item I'm so excited about. It's from Goat, which is like StockX, if you guys are familiar. It just is a resale website for shoes. So they were authenticated. Wow, these are stunning. They're the laser orange dunks. I'm obsessed. They're kind of like a yellowy orange, which I like. I don't like really orangey colors. I don't know, but I honestly thought it was gonna be more like this orange, but so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. I don't know what I'm gonna wear them with, but I love them. So I'm gonna clean up, put this stuff away. So guys, I just got home. I went to my massage, took an hour. It was like an hour and a half driving time too. So I left at like 2 and it's now 5:15. I did stop and get Chick-fil-A on the way back because I was starving. All I've had was a protein bar. So I ate that in the car, even though I'm literally eating in probably like 3 hours. So I was just gonna make a salad at home because I had one last night and it was super good. But I couldn't make it. I was like, I need to eat. And if I don't eat, I get like hypoglycemic. My blood sugar drops and I feel like really weird and like anxious. So I had to eat. But the massage was great. It was really painful. But she said I had some sinus pressure, like some swelling from the sinus pressure, I guess, which makes sense because I've had back-to-back headaches like every day since I've been back, and it could just be like a change in the weather or just like allergies and stuff. But that's that on that. Haven't really vlogged me doing anything today. It's been a very chatty vlog, but it's been a very self-care, like chill day, like massage, my nails done. Chick-fil-A is always good. And then tonight I'm hanging with my best friend. So that's kind of like a form of self-care. I haven't seen her in like 2.5 weeks. Also, I forgot to mention when I got my nails done, that I got a different shape. Usually I get like the tapered coffin shape, and they're really, really long. They're my natural nails, and they had gotten so long and they were so dirty underneath from like makeup and stuff. I just told him, I was like, can you just clip them like all off? Like I want them short. And he was like, yeah, and I can put tips over it, because they were just so dirty. I need to like just grow them, like, I don't know, start fresh. So, and I knew I wanted this shape, so it was like the perfect opportunity to get them shorter, because yeah, they were just so dirty and stuff. But anyways, so yeah, I have tips on for the first time in forever. I'm not mad about it. So I just did my hair, and I think I like it, and I think I'm just gonna wear this tonight. It's just chill vibes. I mean, we're just gonna be playing pool and eating and drinking. So I think I'm just gonna wear this. I'm gonna do my makeup though, but my camera is dying, so I'm gonna charge this while I do my makeup, and I will come back to you guys later, I guess. All right guys, so it's a little while later. I did my makeup. This is what it looks like. Then I actually filmed a video, so I wasn't planning on doing that, but Jordan was running a little bit late. She was coming from Charlotte, so I was like, why not? But she's on the way now. I think she's probably like 20-30 minutes away. So I want to show you guys this trick because I'm bored. But this is like hair mascara. I'll link it on my Amazon storefront, but I have like all these little baby hairs, and I noticed it while I was filming, and this just like slicks it back, but it doesn't make your hair greasy or anything. At least I hope it doesn't, but it just helps so much. So that's what I did. Also, I know I'm gonna get questions on this lip shade, so it's this. Jordan actually got it for me. It's part of my Christmas gift, but it's the Lip Injection lip gloss plumper thing in Wifey for Lifey. Super cute. So yeah, like I said, I'm just wearing this, what I was wearing all day. Okay, that's it. Love you guys.